To book a trip, choose driver or rider. On the next screen, select the destination you're heading to by typing your address. Press confirm, and then repeat this step with your pickup location. On the booking summary page, press date and time to set your trip time. You can also add a return trip or repeat the ride on multiple days. When you're done, hit confirm details. Check all of your trip details are correct and then press submit booking request to start the trip matching process. Once a match is found, you can review it. Press the orange checkmark to accept and add the trip to your home screen. From here, you can click to start your trip. This will provide some trip details and step-by-step directions to pick up your passengers. On this screen, you will also be told your parking bay number, if applicable. When the trip is over, click Completed Trip to finish the ride and leave feedback. You can exit the trip by clicking on the X. The ride will now show as completed on your home screen. And that's it. Happy carpooling!